What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Should I say welcome back to the beautiful state of sunny South Florida? No, I've been watching way too much of the Strat, man. I think that's where I got that from. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a minute since you've last seen me. It is now 2020. You saw me in 2019. It's been a year. And damn, it's been a great year for me so far. I started off 2020 on January 4th by getting engaged to my beautiful girlfriend of 4 years. Now we're looking to be buying a house. And this past weekend, not me and her, but me, Manny, and 4 of our buddies had an awesome bachelor party trip. Not for me, but for Manny, who gets married in a month, to Los Angeles, California. And that is exactly what this video is about. Nothing to do with a Camaro or a ZL1. Well, my mom got a new Genesis, but hey, regardless, it has everything to do with California and how badass it was. So we decided, Manny decided, but we helped him with the decision. Let's go to California. Let's go to LA. Let's use the Turo app and let's rent 3 badass supercars. So that's exactly what we did. We went ahead and rented one McLaren 570S in a beautiful orange. That was mine. We rented a beautiful Lamborghini Aventador. That was a wrapped car. It's green. It used to be gray, now it's green. Badass as well. And we rented a Ferrari 488 Spider. White, hardtop convertible, obviously the Spider, with red, white, and green stripes all over it. I know a lot of them, I'm Italian, so I got the Bubba da Boop BME. Everyone said I should have been driving that, but that McLaren caught my eye the minute I looked at it, to be honest. So we went ahead and flew out on Friday. We got there Friday night. Saturday morning, we picked up the cars at 10 a.m. Now, I didn't get to film a ton, okay? I filmed a decent amount. We all got videos, and I have all of them now, but we didn't do, I didn't really go to the strip just to film. I wanted to have a good time. So I apologize if I didn't get crazy moments, but I got some damn good stuff, trust me. I got lots of revving, I got a few poles, and I got some cool, just some cool shots, honestly. You'll have to see. It was a great time, but let's forget about me talking, because I know most of you hate that. Let's just get into the day we picked up the cars. I'm going to show you that, and show you maybe some revs and stuff, and we'll get into more stuff after that. Let's check it out. Hey, y'all, this is the moment y'all been waiting for. We're picking up the McChicken, the Ferrari, and the Lambo. It's going to be some fun. Let's take some videos. We know how to do a bachelor party right? Woo. This is my baby right here. Watch it. Manny, give it a little rev again. Tell me, give it a rev. The Lamborghini, sir. The Lamborghini. Guys, we're in the McLaren 570S, and oh my God, listen to this. Oh my God, I'm in love. Oh, she's beautiful. Now you hear kind of how that sounds. They're all disgusting sounding cars. Very, very raunchy little girls, just woof. God, I love the sound of those things. And it's so different from what I'm used to. And you know what? At the end of the day, that was like the most fun, honestly. Forget doing pulls. That was the best part, just sitting there revving in traffic or revving at Rodeo Drive. So great time. And yeah, that's that. Otherwise, let's look at a couple of pulls, because that part is pretty fun. Now, keep in mind, we weren't going so fast in some of the videos. We're going fast. I'm not gonna lie, triple digits, but I'm not trying to go like 200 miles an hour here. We're in a foreign city. We gotta be very civilized and smart. Yeah, right, I'll show you. Got it? Gotcha. We in the Aventador? Second gear. car handles so freaking well. I love it. Oh my God. The cornering in this is just ridiculous. Oh God, this is so much fun. She loves it. She loves it, baby. She loves it, baby. One thing too, guys, I gotta say, today's a good day. She's a lot of fun. We're stuck in a little bit of traffic. I'm not really moving very fast. Little pulls here and there. The freaking, the Aventador sounds disgusting. The Ferrari's disgusting. They all are disgusting. Just keep in mind, we weren't trying to like go 160 in someone else's car. Let me get this out of the way. Just because it's not our car. I mean, we hit a good speed. I'm not gonna lie to you. We hit close. We did. In Mexico. But all in all, we had a lot of fun in these things. I may have gotten sideways in the Ferrari once or twice. Turning off that traction control was a lot of fun. I can tell you it wasn't the smartest move, but at the end of that move, there were 2 smiles in that car. It was me and Brett, and we had a ball in that car. So, you know, at the end of the day, you know, when we had to select which one we liked, I kind of the whole trip clinged to that McLaren. Just because when we would go around some of the turns, which as you saw in that one video that I was going around turns, I wasn't going very fast in that one because I'm not going to lie to you, I was holding my phone like this, trying to drive with my one hand filming and my other hand, you know, steering and shifting. Because the good thing, one great thing about the McLaren, okay, let's get this straight. You could use both paddle shifters or you can use one for everything, which I love that. So if I'm, let's say I'm using my right hand to film, I can steer obviously, no problem. And I can go up. If I push forward, I can downshift. That's what that one's for. I can push it backwards and it upshifts, or go to the one that goes supposed to go, the plus one that goes up a gear, and instead you push it backwards and it goes down. So either way, you can use both hands, you can use one hand, and that's what's kind of nice about it for things like this. And also just general convenience. So, the McLaren was my favorite due to the fact of the color, the appearance of the car. Was just stunning. The trunk really has a lot of room. Not that that matters, but that was just like a plus. Like, holy shit, this thing can fit a body in there. And I love the hardtop convertible. I really did. I honestly would love to have something like that one day. It's almost like a motivational factor when you drive something like that, because you want to work harder now to earn that for yourself, because driving that was just like a whole different experience. And that had the best sound system also, and I blared my music the whole time, and it was awesome. So that was kind of my favorite for that. Each car was great in their own way. The McLaren for just handling was a monster. The Ferrari 488, which all of us say the same thing, all around car, that Ferrari whoops ass all day. It handles amazing and it's got a ton of power, especially top end power. It builds. And the Aventador was the favorite of all time because it was just the look of it, the sound of it. It's a Lamborghini. The speed, it's the fastest one there, I'll tell you that. It really jerks you back. When you put it in Corsa mode, you know, it's like their track mode. I mean, I don't know if you see in the one video of me and Brett, like I literally get jerked every time the shift happens. Every time we shift in that car, it's boom, and you feel it. But it's intense. It's almost like you're in a race car is what you're in. And it's crazy, it really is. And to me, I mean, like I said, if you're going for full-on speed and you want to go fast and you don't care about handling, go for that Aventador all day. But you want to handle like a monster, between the Ferrari and the McLaren all day. I really do think so. And I mean, really all of us couldn't pick one in particular. I did say that the McLaren was my favorite for those reasons. But I mean, at the end of the trip, you sit there and think about it after driving all three and you're like, I can't really pick one. It's really hard to pick one. But, you know, at the end of the day, guys, I mean, this trip was just amazing, and I honestly recommend you guys to do something like this. Take your boys, fly to LA, and I say LA because there's no roads that you can go on, like Los Angeles, California, and you hit those hills, overlooking the water in a freaking supercar. By Mohammed, by the way. Mohammed is the guy from Turo. You got to use him. I will put his info down. Phenomenal service. They help you out. They meet you in a very convenient spot, and I mean, they're good guys, and they got good stuff, and they have 25 cars to choose from. Whether you want a Lamborghini Urus, a Lamborghini Huracan, a Aventador, Ferrari, McLaren, anything, they got it. So definitely I'll put his info below if you guys want to check him out. Like I said, just do it one day. Take a trip, whether it's your bachelor party or just for the hell of it. Go with your boys. Go maybe just you and your girl. Whoever likes cars, I would totally recommend doing something like this. It's not something you regret, and it's worth every single penny you spend. Listen, you work hard every single day to spoil yourself once in a while. You have to. It's life. You got to live it. Go on a trip like this. I guarantee you, you won't regret it too. Randy's Donuts if you're going to LA. Phenomenal place to go to. Santa Monica Pier, all those places. I know this isn't like a vacation channel, but I just had to share this experience with you guys because I feel like it's something every guy should do. Totally. It doesn't matter what age you are. Go freaking do it. You'll enjoy the hell out of yourself. Anyways, guys, that's really all I got for you today. My arm is starting to kill me from holding this thing, so I'm going to get going. It was great talking to you guys again. I will be putting more videos up soon. My goal for 2020 is to hit 90 uploads. I'm at 42, I think, or something like that. This should be 43. Oh, I rested on my car. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you're new. I do happen to talk a lot, but I got important things to say. But definitely follow the channel. We got nothing new coming for this as of yet, but we got some cool things I want to do. I've been saying it for a while, the 0 to 60 video coming soon, I promise. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next one.